In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use two different 2x6 templates in LumaBooth under one event. This is the only way that I know of how to do this. Maybe you guys have like a different trick, but like if you have a customer that wants to use two separate templates, this would be a video for you to watch. So we're going to open up Canva, right? We have Canva. We're going to create the design. So we're going to go over here. Where's that at? Custom size, sorry. Now you're going to want to put 4 by 6 inches. Inches is the right here. So, oops, I should probably go there first. So 4 by 6. This is super important. It has to be this. All right. And then now basically what we're going to do here is we're going to make two different 2 by 6 strips within this dimension and have the printer cut it. So I already have some designs already here to go. I'm not going to like make these from scratch. And let me just show you how we'll do it here. So basically you can make the two templates as a 2 by 6, right? Have them approve it. Then you can come in here and do this step. So let's just say this was one of them. And then we'll use this one here for the other. And you're probably wondering, like, when would I ever need to do this? Well, you know, if you're using LumaBooth, you can only use technically one template at a time, right? But like, what if there's a party where it's two celebrations for one event? Like maybe someone's graduating, but it's also someone's birthday. This would be a good time to come in here and have maybe the one template, graduation, and the other one, the party or whatever. So basically you're just gonna fill it in like this for the one side. Then we're gonna go like this to the other. Might be easier just to come here. And it's really that easy. This is gonna be a real simple video. Just make sure it's correctly in half, just like that. So this is basically how I would do it, right? You would have one here, then go to share. You're gonna click download and boom, download. It's gonna save. All right, now, right, if you're a LumaBooth user, this is how you're gonna make the change so it does the cut, right? And I'm only showing you this with this printer right here, right? The Hi-T P525L, the printer that we sell and the one we use on our website. So we're gonna go to Luma Assistant, right? LumaBooth Assistant, and then we're gonna come here where it says Printer Settings, and we're gonna select the 6x4 split. So this is gonna cut the photo for us. So let me go ahead and get my iPad. I'm gonna import this and then we're gonna do a little print test so you guys can see exactly what this will look like. So I have the file here on the iPad and I like to go ahead and make sure that we save it from the photos to files. That way we can open this up onto LumaBooth. That's fine, okay, cool. So now let's open up LumaBooth. Okay, launch event. Doesn't matter, we're just trying to get to the print layout here. I'm gonna hit the drop down menu, top right. This iPad's a little bit slow just because of how old it is. This thing's been used way too much. So we're gonna click on, let me see, print layout. I don't know why I did that. So I'm gonna go to preset. I'm gonna look for what appears to me to be the right one. Boom, this should be it, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go to, let's just make this smaller for now. We're gonna go to add image. Boom, we're going to click on that. We're going to go to send backward. And I'm not going to get these perfect though, you guys, right? Like I could sit here and change the dimensions here for this video, but I really don't have the time. So I'm just going to do this the Temu way, do it really quick. Photo from photo booth, right? So you would normally would want to come in here and mess with the where it says selected items. You can mess with the width and height, but again, I really don't have the time. I just want to get this done. So we're gonna go to, from photo booth, again, the third one, right? This is where the photos are gonna go. And then I think we can duplicate this, right? Duplicate. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side, right? Duplicate. Duplicate. Perfect. Well, not perfect, but yeah. If you don't know what I'm talking about, when I'm talking about like getting it the right, like to fit the background, you can come in here, you can mess with the dimensions here, right? So the height, where it says, watch it change, 363. This is kind of like a guessing game with me, so we'd just go 410. You see what I'm saying? and then have it fit perfectly. But let's just go ahead and put this into the photo booth. We're gonna do a print, and I'll show you guys exactly how it's gonna cut everything. You wanna make sure that, yeah, dimensions look right. So let's plug in the computer to the laptop, do a print, and I'll show you exactly how it's gonna cut and how it'll look. So let's go ahead and launch the event. All right, ring light is off, just because I want you guys to be able to see.
Get ready.
It's gonna take 3 photos. That's what we have it set to.
Okay, smile.
All right, last photo. Again, it's just a print. Boom, now let's go over to the print. Printing is always gonna take a little bit more time for the first one. And there you go. 2 different templates in one event. It's not the most prettiest way, but you got to make do with what you have. And unfortunately in LumaBooth, there's not a way to select 2 different templates and have this flow like a little bit different. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, make sure to follow us wherever you're watching this video and go to photobooth101.com to get your photo booth equipment. And if you're brand new to LumaBooth, if you found it because of me, we have a sign up and discount link for that. Just write a comment wherever you're watching this and you want it. So, yep. Thank you for watching. God bless. See you soon.